Hey, it's Guard here, and I made a post about our new Furrion air conditioner. It's off right now. It's kind of warm in here. And some people had asked, how long will it run on the battery? We have a 600 amp hour lithium battery in our Coachmen Beyond. And right now, we're parked in the sun. It's 83 degrees outside, and the windows are all covered. I got my shades down to keep some of the heat out, but it's still warm in here. And let's see what the temperature inside the van right now is 87 degrees. So I'm going to start the air conditioner. So I turn it on. I put it on cool auto. And let's see. I'm going to set the temperature to 74 degrees. And the fan's blowing kind of hard right now because it's got to cool. And we're going to look at there's the compressor. So it's putting out cold air already. And if I look at my app, my Lithionics app on my phone, I have 100% battery. I'm pulling 800 watts right now. And at this rate, it says that I'm good for 9 hours and change. What I'm going to do is I'm going to let this run continuously until I get down to 10% battery. I might stop at 15% battery. I'll take a look at that. And every so often I'll update the video with the percentage of the battery, how many watts I'm using, and the remaining time. So right now, it's 1:05 in the afternoon, and according to this, I should run until probably 10 o'clock tonight, but I'll check back every so often and see what it looks like. I'm hoping that I'm probably going to get a lot later than that, because right now it's working hard to cool because it's hot in here, and it's 87. Oh, I have a little thermometer here. Let's see. This is a sensor right here, a remote sensor, and the remote sensor right there, it says now it's 85.8. This was on the counter, it says it's 86. And I can take this in the house with me, and I can see what the temperature sitting in my chair inside the house. I can check the temperature, and with my app on the phone, I can see how much battery we have left. So let's see how it goes. My guess is I'm going to make it till, I'm going to say 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. That's kind of my guess. I'm hopeful, but we'll find out. So thanks for watching.
Will you keep us posted at 3 a.m. tonight?
I might just do that. I might.
And 5 a.m.?
I might. If my insomnia kicks in, I'll be checking it out.
We'll get Spike to wake you up.
Yeah. All right. Well, let's see. Oh, and by the way, let's just take a look at something real quick, just while we're still sitting here. Okay. 87 degrees starting out. So we're going to find out real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hey, this is my 30-minute update. When we started, the temperature was 85.6. It's now 77.9. That's in 30 minutes. And according to my app on the battery, right now I'm using 1500 watts. And it says that I have 4 hours and 38 minutes left. My battery is 13 volts. The current is 114.7. And I said this is going to change, because as it approaches 84 degrees, this is going to start slowing down. So like I said, right now it's made a pretty good drop in 30 minutes. It's like what, 7 degrees, I guess. But there it is, 77.9 now. I got 89% battery, and it says I'm good for 4 hours and 32 minutes. And I'll do you another update in 30 minutes, so stand by. Hey, it's me and Molly. This is our little girl, Molly. Anyway, it's been an hour and 5 minutes that the air conditioner has been running. I'm actually down to 79% battery. And I just remembered that I had turned off my solar panels. I just ran outside and turned my solar panels on, which would help save a little bit of battery. But anyway, I'm at 79%. My battery voltage is 13 volts. My current right now is 81.5 amps. which is 1100 watts. It says I have 5 hours and 48 minutes left, and the temperature now is at 74.7. So it's come down 11 degrees in 1 hour. It's pretty cool out there. 74. We wouldn't cool it that hard. If I had just brought it down to like 78, it would have saved a lot of battery. But I wanted to get it down to like a really cold level, just for most people like it probably 74 air conditioned. I'm not sure. But anyway, put it at 74. So it's at 74.7 right now. 79% battery left. I'm good for 5 hours and 47 minutes. And hopefully once the temperature gets down to the set value, that the power usage is going to go down, because it doesn't need to run the compressor if it's cool enough, and it's getting pretty close to that point. So hopefully in the next 30 minutes we'll see it shutting down the compressor to a lower level and saving some energy. Well, thanks for watching. See you in 30 minutes. All right, it is 2:40 in the afternoon. It's pretty hot outside. The battery is 73% right now. I'm using 80.5 amps, 1100 watts an hour right now. I've got 5 hours and 24 minutes remaining. And according to my thermometer in the van, it's 73.9 degrees. So we'll come back in 30 more minutes. I feel like I'm being like hovered over or something. Anyway, we'll see you soon.
You're not.
Bye. All right, so it's 3:05. The air conditioner has been running on battery now for 2 hours. The temperature inside is 73.6, and it's reaching its point where it's slowing the compressor down. Right now, I'm 13 volts, 40. It's drawing 43 amps at 559 watts, and now it says I have 9 hours and 20 minutes of battery left. That's if I were to run the battery completely down to zero, but I don't do that. I run down to like 15%. But anyway, there we go, 68% battery, 9 hours and 21 minutes battery remaining. So I'll check back in 30 minutes.
Here's a view of the roof of our van. Currently, it's been about 3 hours almost that we've been running this test, and just want to show how there is a lot of sun on the van right now. Sun's practically straight above.
All right, it's 3:45. The temperature in the van had went up slightly. It went up to 74.7. So it started cooling again. The compressor kicked in a little bit harder. It's now 73.6 degrees. I have 62% battery. It's pulling, my voltage is 12.9, 73.7 amps. It's running right at 950, 960 watts. And it says I have 5 hours of battery left. So I'll give you another update in 30 minutes. Oh, buddy. Buddy. What? What? Are you trying to tell me something? Is there something wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong, Spike? Is there something behind me? Is there something back there? What is it? Oh, it's a bird. It's a bird. It's not a plane. And that's how Spike does it. All right, it's 4:15. Check this out. 319 watts. It says I have 14 hours left. The battery's at 57%. It's pulling 360 now, 27 amps. It's 72.9 degrees in the van. And the temperature outside is still, it's 90 degrees. So it's really hot out there. The fan is really cool inside. And I have plenty of battery left to run for a while. So I'll give you the next update coming up in about 30 minutes. Bye. All right, it's 5:00 p.m. The sun's still out. It's still like, it's 89 now, so it's cooled off a little bit. The Temperature inside the van is 73.2. 73.2. And the battery has 51% remaining. It's fluctuating between 12.9 and 13 volts. It's pulling 67 amps, 870 watts, give or take. And it says now I have 4 hours and 30 minutes left of battery. So give it another hour or so and see what it says. Thanks for watching. All right, it is 5:35 and it's 88 degrees outside. The van inside is 72.9 degrees. The battery is 47%, 13 volts. It's using 18, oops. I'm just out of Bluetooth range. It's using 18.4 amps, 240 watts. It says at this rate, I have 15 hours left of battery. So this goes up and down depending on how much compressor it needs to use. Right now it's not using much compressor. The compressor is kind of slow right now, so it's low wattage, 250, 56. See you in a half an hour. Okay, it's 7 o'clock. It's 84 degrees outside, and it's 73.2 in the van. My battery has gotten to 40%. I'm in the mid-level range right now. It's 12.9 volts. I'm pulling 20.3 amps, 265 watts. And at this level, it says that I have 11 hours and 44 minutes to go. I'm probably not gonna wait that long because I'll probably stop this about midnight or so if it's still running, maybe 1 o'clock, I don't know. But anyway, it's still doing pretty good out there. So far, this has been 6 hours. So at 6 hours, I'm at 40% battery. I think that's pretty good. Okay, it's 8:42 p.m. It's 81 degrees outside. The inside of the van is 71.4 degrees. The battery is now at 34%. The voltage is 12.9. The amps running currently is 19 amps with a power of 247 watts are being used. And at this rate, I have another 10 hours and 30 minutes left. So, pretty amazing considering we started with a pretty hot van. It had to run pretty hard to cool it down. But there it is, 34% battery. And maybe another 9 hours or so to go, 8 or 9 hours. We'll see how it goes. Stand by. I know I just made an update, but I just got to show this is pretty amazing. It says it's using 99 watts right now, 7.6 amps. Time remaining, 1 day and 2 hours. I know that sometimes the compressor will shut off and just the fan barely running, the fan on ultra low. So I'm assuming that that's probably what's happened, is that the compressor finally did shut off and the fan's on ultra low, and this is all I have running on my van right now. And the refrigerator is turned on, so that could be the refrigerator, or that could just be the carbon monoxide detector and the relay for the propane tank, but that's pretty low. 98 watts.
Temperature out there is 71.4 degrees. Is that correct?
Oh, let's see. What's
the van?
Yeah, the temperature in the van. See, it just bumped up to 144 too, so it's still doing some stuff. But the temperature in the van is really cold. It's 71 degrees, and the outside temperature now is 80. So it's still cooling in there. I mean, it's pretty impressive. I'm really amazed at this air conditioner. I can't wait to try it out at a Cracker Barrel or on the road somewhere, because when we pull in at 8 o'clock at night or so, not to have to worry about air conditioning at all is going to be pretty nice. Well, I'll just give you an update pretty soon. Hold on. All right, it's 11 o'clock p.m. That means the air conditioner's been running for 10 hours and it's 71 degrees in here, and it says that I'm using I got 12.8 volts. My current is 20 amps, 22 amps. I'm using 285 watts, and it says I have 7 hours and 39 more minutes, 35 minutes. It says I have like 7 more hours, but it's 11 o'clock at night and I'm gonna go to bed. So I'm just gonna shut this down, and I can guess that if I were to let it run, I could probably get another three hours at least out of it. So I'm pretty happy with it. I'm gonna shut off this air conditioner, give it a rest, because it's been on for a while, and there we go. Not much difference in sound, but there we are. And the funny thing is, I'm still using 170 watts and 13 amps, probably because my refrigerator's running right now. Oh no, it got real quiet just then. Okay, maybe there's a little residual power being used in there, because now I'm 7 amps and 94 watts. So and it's nice. So I'm very happy with the air conditioner, and I don't think it's gonna be any problems at all when we go boondocking to get a good night's sleep, because this test, the beginning of it, this thing was hot. We would never go to pulling to go to bed at night somewhere with the back of the van being 86 degrees. I mean, that just wouldn't happen. We would always have it cool down. So I'm thinking we could probably get a lot more time out of it if it had been just comfortably cool to start with, as opposed to having to fight for an hour to get it to cool down. Well, thanks for watching. If you got any questions about the video, just drop me a line, and I'll get back with you guys. Y'all go out and have a great time. See America. It's a wonderful place. Bye, everyone.